You may have heard of the word baptism and one time think of a priest or a pastor pouring holy water on someone's head or dipping them in water. But do you know there are actually three types of baptism? Today we will be talking about the three different types of baptism. Let's get started. First of all, what is baptism? Baptism is the first sacrament in the Catholic Church, one of the weapons to cleanse us from sin. When we get baptized, it cleanses us from some parts of our original sin, and it cleanses us from all our sins that we committed before being baptized. We also become adopted children of God through baptism. The baptism that I mentioned at the start of the video is what we call the baptism of water. Second type of baptism is called the baptism of blood or a martyred baptism. That is when a person who professes the Catholic faith but is still before getting baptized, the church teaches they are baptized by their own blood. And an example of this is Saint Victor of Portugal, who refused to take part in a pagan sacrifice, and because of his refusal, he was tortured and beheaded. So his blood was his baptism. The third and final baptism is called the baptism of desire. That is when a person died before getting baptized but had the desire to be baptized. He is therefore baptized by his own desire. St. Ambrose believed that his friend Emperor Valentinian III was baptized by his desire when he died on his way to his baptism. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new today. I hope you all have a great day and God bless.